favorite lip colors for the summer and spring. Spring and summer. Whatever. My first favorite one is called Candy Yum Yum. It's by MAC. The price point of these are awesome. They're like $14 or $15. You can buy it on Nordstrom, Macy's, wherever they sell them. Anyway, it's a really pretty color. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's super fun, really, really bright. Sometimes I'll put a gloss over it because it is really bright, and just to tone it down, I'll put a gloss over it sometimes. Really, really pretty, fun color. It stays on really long.
My favorite one is Orange by MAC as well, and $14, $15, like Sarah Jane said. $56, yeah. Really affordable.
Cheap.
So cheap. I'm wearing it now. Did I already say that?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm wearing it now. And it's just a really pretty color. It's a great color for summer, spring. Every time I wear it, I get compliments because it's so bright. But it's really good color.
Anyway, the next one, this color, it's called Hippie Chic. It is actually by NYX. Michelle calls it NYX. I call it NYX. It's NYX. Whatever. I know it's NYX because I went to Ulta once and they said NYX.
Ulta is wrong.
Whatever. Anyway, I love this color. It is so pretty. It is kind of like a corally, peachy, a little bit of nude in it. Super pretty. The reason why I like these, they're like $6. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
They're
That's
so cheap. They might be $5. Sometimes they'll go on sale and they're like $5. But they are so cheap. So if you are looking for something that's inexpensive but you want some fun colors,
And it's still good quality.
it is good quality.
Like the color, it goes on, it stays.
I love this color. It is so pretty for the spring and summer. I am gonna wear this like crazy. This is actually Michelle's. I bought it for her.
I know, she's a really good friend.
Best friend. Anyway, good NYX color.
So another one of my favorites is Chanel's Mystique. These are a little bit more expensive. They run for about $29, $50, $30.
I think that's kind of expensive.
It is expensive.
Is it worth it?
I think it's worth it. If you have dry lips, especially, because lipsticks tend to dry your lips out. These ones are so hydrating. They go on really creamy and buttery.
And they're pretty, and they actually have a little engraving in them that say Chanel.
Yeah,
Cute.
everybody needs something Chanel, right? It's so worth it.
It's worth it. They're nice. I like Chanel. I really do.
Okay, those are our favorite lipsticks. Come back for our next post.